it's important to know where to search for information. And I feel like these kind of events, like you learn about different possibilities, maybe you learn about websites where to look information, or like what I already mentioned, you find out who are the people who are experts. I think also the community of women is very important for the reason when I was a student myself, like my bachelor's, master's, PhD, I spent together like 8-9 years, and during this time I had 3 courses given by women. And I think since then, when I did my PhD, the situation has become much better. So I'm very happy to see, like, especially at this research school, the number of women that's represented, both the speakers and participants. So I think we are moving in the right direction, and I really encourage all the young women, like, keep doing what you like, be persistent. I think doing mathematics in general requires persistency. One of my colleagues, a female mathematician, actually said, there is always some suffering associated to mathematics. I guess my message is, like, we need women in mathematics, but I think it's going in the right direction.